This is a 1949 Olds 88 convertible. Beautiful car, nice maroon color, tan top, hubcaps with wheel trim rings and full white sidewalls. Beautiful engine compartment with that rocket V8. This is the first year for the overhead valve V8 for Oldsmobile, so that was an amazing year. And notice it has a one-piece windshield. Now some 49s had one-piece windshields, and probably most had a two-piece windshield. By 1950 they were all one-piece. Interior is color coordinated, maroon, and that nice light fabric there. This car has HydraMatic, deluxe steering wheel, two-tone dash. Very, very nice. Top looks brand new, and we're lucky that we get a view of the trunk. Backup lamps, and a commodious trunk there for a convertible. Of course, that spare sitting flat that takes up a lot of room. Car has fender skirts, and it looks good with those fender skirts. The top has a glass window, and it's on the small side. .303 cubic inches for the engine, and 135 horsepower. Very sporty car. And there's the reservoir and the pump for the windshield washer. Notice the fuse block there. That's how they wired them.